Hey guys, this is a review of the CJRB Maileah. It's designed by Swags. I can't remember her first name, but it's in ARP M9. I can never remember all the letters for that. Steel, and it's a really well done little fifth pocket kind of knife. This, if you're not familiar with that concept, it just fits in that tiny pocket in your jeans. That's where I keep my guitar picks, but this thing fits in there just about perfectly. It's got a nice deep carry clip. It's comfortable that you don't feel it too much in your hand. Obviously, being as small as this is, it's a three finger kind of design. It's got a really interesting combination kind of blade. It's kind of reverse tanto, but got a belly to it as well. So that's a really interesting design. I really like the grind on this knife. I like the red accents around the pivot collar and the thumb stud here. The G10 is done well. No sharp edges. It's radius nicely. You can see it's buffed over pretty well, but they are overall flat. But the scales are very comfortable. It has a nice cutout here for the lock bar, and centering is very good. As you can see there. Now this is a thumb stud or front flipper design. This is one of the better front flippers I've used. So kind of go over that way, come across the top. You can do it that way too, but I'm not as confident with that one. So, but all in all, this is a great little tiny pocket knife. This is my daughter's, and it's just doesn't scare anybody when you take it out to cut some fruit or something like that at the office, and it does a great job with it. So it's a great little utility blade or second pocket knife if that's what you're looking to do, or just a non-threatening little guy to carry to the office. But the CJRB Maileah is a handy little tool.